In May 2023, Microsoft rolled out fixes for 51 vulnerabilities in Windows, Microsoft Office, and Visual Studio, including 3 zero-day flaws that should be patched immediately. These zero-day flaws are CVE 2023-24932, CVE 2023-29325, and CVE 2023-29336. The focus this month needs to be on rapidly updating both Windows and Microsoft Office. Both platforms get our Patch Now recommendation. Testing for this patch cycle must include validating Windows Secure Boot, remote desktop and VPN transfers, and ensuring that Microsoft Outlook handles document, RTF and DOC files correctly. After installing the May update on guest virtual machines, VMs, running Windows Server 2022, some versions of VMware ESC, Windows Server 2022 might not start up. Both Microsoft and VMware are working on a resolution.